Wondering what a Google course on Coursera actually looks like once you enroll? Like what you see inside, what you have to do, and how the certificates work. In this video, I'll walk you through it in a simple way so you know what to expect. Quick reminder before we jump in, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer, which is great if you plan to complete more than one Google certificate. When you open a Google course on Coursera, you'll usually land on a course homepage that shows the title, what you'll learn, and how long it takes. A lot of Google programs are career-focused, so they're designed to be beginner-friendly and job-ready. Inside the course, everything is broken into modules that feel like weekly sections. Each section is made up of short videos, simple readings, and quick knowledge checks. It's not just one long lecture, it's structured so you can keep moving without getting overwhelmed. Most Google courses also include graded quizzes and assignments, and those are what count toward completing the course and earning the certificate. If you're auditing for free, you might still see the content, but full access to graded work and certificates usually requires a paid plan. If you're doing a Google Professional Certificate, it's usually a full series made up of multiple courses, not just one. For example, Coursera lists programs like Google Data Analytics as a multi-course series, and many of these are included with Coursera Plus. Depending on the program, you might also get hands-on practice. Coursera has guided, step-by-step projects where you learn by doing inside a browser-based workspace, so you don't always need to download anything or set up complicated software. If you're a beginner, a Google Coursera course is usually a good option because the lessons are structured, the pace is flexible, and you can learn at your own speed. And if you're trying to switch careers, the certificate format makes it easier to stay consistent and finish. If you want to see what Google courses are available right now and how the learning dashboard looks when you enroll, check my link in the description. And if you're planning to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the year for a limited time, so it can be a really good value. Thanks for watching.